Kaizer Chiefs are closing in on the signing of Njabulo Blom from St. Louis, and this deal may affect the signing of Sephepelo Sithole. Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. Today I bring you the latest Kaizer Chiefs news. So Kaizer Chiefs has offered Njabulo Blom a 2 years contract extension with an option to extend with one further year. Njabulo Blom is currently on loan from MLS side St. Louis. His contract there is ending in December 2025, meaning after his loan spell at Kaizer Chiefs, he'll be only left with 6 months, meaning he won't cost a lot of money. He will cost very little, in fact. But then I feel like this will be a risk move from Kaizer Chiefs, considering Njabulo Blom's current form. Njabulo Blom is a very good player, make no mistake. Versatile, can play in the defensive midfield position, can play in the right back position. But then ever since he returned from USA, hasn't been playing, hasn't been on his best. You know, he has played 19 games, played on the right back, has played in the defensive midfield, and to me he's been below average. He looks a bit heavy. The only game I remember this season where Njabulo Blom played really well was the match against Orlando Pirates, even though he considered a late penalty there, but I think he played really well. He was playing on the right back, had a really good game there, keeping Relebohile Mofokeng quiet the whole game. So I think this is a risk signing, considering that Njabulo Blom is not playing really well currently. So meaning if he takes this current form to next season, it will be a huge loss for Kaizer Chiefs, because Kaizer Chiefs will have to pay a signing fee to St. Louis. His wages. Njabulo Blom is currently earning over 500,000. So if Njabulo Blom doesn't return to his best form next season, it will be a huge loss for Kaizer Chiefs. So how does this deal affect the signing of Sephepelo Sithole? So as previously reported by Soccer Laduma, Kaizer Chiefs were only going to go for Sephepelo Sithole if they failed to keep Njabulo Blom. But then with Njabulo Blom now being on the verge of signing for Kaizer Chiefs, it means they won't go for Sephepelo Sithole. And considering the current players they have on that position, of which didn't make any sense to me, Kaizer Chiefs are not going to sign Sephepelo Sithole because of the midfielders they currently have. Which Kaizer Chiefs midfielder currently is better or comes near Sephepelo Sithole? You can name Cele. Who else? That position is filled with average players. We are talking here about someone who was Bafana first choice before he got injured. Played in the AFCON. 26 years of age. Huge potential. Experienced player. Which player comes near him at Kaizer Chiefs? If we say we won't sign players because of the current players we have in the midfield, it means we mustn't expect any new midfielder next season. What makes you think we will go for Faisal Salum? Because I tell you what, and Sundowns are interested in Sephepelo Sithole, and they will sign him. And we will be saying Mamelodi Sundowns are winning careers, Mamelodi Sundowns are destroying South African football, this and that. Whilst we should be pointing fingers at the people who sat down and say, you know what, there's no science Sephepelo Sithole. You have midfielders who are good enough to take us to the next level. Shite. We should be signing players who will take us to the next level. Sephepelo Sithole is that player. I guess we will never learn when it comes to recruiting players, because there's nothing new here. This is typical Kaizer Chiefs business. This is the approach we've been using over the last couple of years. Missing out on quality players. Why? Because of the price tag. Because the only reason Kaizer Chiefs are not going for Sephepelo Sithole is because he won't come cheap. It's because they will face stiff competition, and it's very it costs very less to keep Njabulo Blom rather than signing Sephepelo Sithole. It's quite simple, because there's no way There's no way they are keeping Njabulo Blom because he's better than Spepelos Chole. There's no way. You cannot convince me that Njabulo Blom, Yusuf Marx, Bongiseni Mchetwa, all the players we have on that position are better than Spepelos Chole. No ways. Let me know in the comment section if you think it's a great move by Kaizer Chiefs to go for Njabulo Blom and possibly not going for Spepelos Chole, or do you think they should have went for Spepelos Chole and released Njabulo Blom? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back for more.